All right.
What is up, guys?
Today we're gonna do a little quick release install on the Miata.
We finally got all the parts and stuff to it, hardware, quick release.
Hey, is that Sparkle or is that eBay?
All right, first things first, we're gonna get all tools necessary.
All twos?
Yeah,
all
tools.
twos.
Yeah, twos. All two twos. Anyways, we're gonna get all the tools necessary for this build to go on there. First of all, you need to open the hood and get the negative terminal out.
Open my hood real quick.
Yeah, that's a good hood, man.
Come get the battery out, right?
Yeah, come get the battery out.
Out of my hood, we need to unbolt.
Oh, that's sweet.
Don't bleep this out. Cut it out. Cut it out. Cut it out.
I can't cut that out.
Oh. I'm for real. First thing first, you need a toolbox because you gotta take out all these bolts behind here in order to take off the airbag. But before you take off the airbag, I closed it. But you have to take off the battery first, so that way it doesn't explode. Whoa, there's a toolbox?
Yeah. Oh, we need this one and this one. So we can put this right here by the door.
What the?
And get that steering wheel out.
Put all his tools out in the street instead of behind the car.
I forgot there's cars coming, you know, like I didn't know this is a busy neighborhood. You know, we got all our fam here, all our subscribers are here. That was one of them. He waved at me, but he didn't see it. He was like, oh.
Alright, so now that one side's disconnected,
Now I'm gonna let you do this one because I don't want to risk my face being blown off.
yeah, okay, so now that one side's disconnected, you go back here and you take off this bolt, and then there's two more on that side, and that should be to release the horn. I'll just put my blinker on. Finally, the 10 mil is too small.
Oh no.
You need an 11 mil.
Nope, 12 mil. Let's get the 12 mil.
Now I need an extendo clip. Okay, we're just gonna cut it off, and then it'll come off because we cut it off.
Alright, we're just gonna center the wheel here. Usually people lock it, but we're not locking it. We're just gonna keep it try as center as possible. Even though I'm moving it right now, sorry.
Right. Yeah, perfect.
Good. You got it, bro? Oh, it's not focusing. Focus.
5-hour energy is focus.
And 5-hour energy is focus.
Guys, if y'all don't know, y'all probably do know already, I'm using the iPhone 7 camera. We do our videos that way. I didn't know there's a feature that you can use to change the quality of the video, but I found out from the homie, it's in 4K now. It should be pretty decent quality now. So hopefully you guys can see us better. See what we do now better.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Oh, oh, bro, chill.
I'm actually scared to be right here. I'm gonna set this back real quick, actually. Put the key in and turn it like that, but not while I'm sitting right here.
What? No, what are you doing?
I'm moving out the way of the steering wheel so you can make sure it's not gonna go off. Just put the key in and twist it forward to like make the power go on. If nothing turns on, we're good.
Okay.
Wait.
I've never heard of this method before, but okay.
As long as the power's not there.
Alright.
Alright. And you push. Alright. Alright, it shouldn't start up, right? Go. Alright.
What? Oh! No. Be careful with those clips. There you go.
One's already out, so we should be good.
You probably need like a scissors or something. You want me to bring one, or I'll just use my fingers. Oh! Oh!
What the hell? I touched it, just pink.
What? Yeah, I don't think I even got that on video.
I just went like this, pink, and it just like literally just went.
Dude, I'm gonna laugh at this shit just blows up inside.
I know, right? I just set it down.
You guys already getting spoilers. I might get one for the Z. I might. All right, one of the hardest parts of taking out the steering wheel is this freaking bolt right here, or nut, what do you want to call it?
Part I want to say actually removing it afterwards is.
Well, I mean,
you take out the bolt and you go.
Wow, that was a lot of
Accurate.
Yeah, but we got to get that off first, so let's get to it. Yeah, you know, a little bit boss spot right there, boy. Well, you need one of these big suckers right here, man. You need a 10 mil actually.
All right, got it. First try. First try. First try.
First try. First try. First try.
First try.
First
try.
Oh, that's solid. Nope. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's not it. We're gonna break something.
Yeah, I'm gonna break a lever in my hand.
Let me actually. All right,
Ooh.
ready?
Yep. Perfect.
Ooh. Now no one can steal this unless you just so happen to have a Craftsman's tool set that's sold worldwide.
Yo!
Boy, that was easy!
Yeah, I told you had to lock it first, but I mean, not really. I mean, it's better to lock it. There you go.
Man, you see, we put all that work in. I literally went like this with like one hand, kind of like having my second hand here just in case. And drink.
Yeah, man. Yep, you have to hit it, man. Hit it a couple times. There you go. There you go. Oh. Yeah!
Was this plugged up to the air horn?
Uh-oh.
Nah, we don't need a horn.
All right. We don't.
Actually, don't toss the set on the ground because I wanted to blow up and...
Oh.
I need to take this. Hey, wait a minute.
Gonna look up a tutorial.
Oh. Hold up, I'll pull it up right now. Hold up. Keep filming.
So don't cut this off.
Fast forward.
Fast forward it. Okay, here we go.
Right here. That's where you're gonna find the steering or the quick release install. Right.
Link is in the description. So you
Why
guys
would we link our own channel? Just tell them to subscribe to see it.
Yeah.
Nah, link in the description. We don't know where our channel's at.
Got it now.
Alright, so far in the reviews, pretty much all I see is people literally just cutting this plastic off, cutting a bit of the wire off and tucking it inside, or rewiring the two horn wires. We'll just wait.
Waiting.
Let's fast forward.
Okay, so we're gonna basically cut this off. That's what he was saying and reading from the reviews. What are you doing, my boys? Oh. Oh.
Crack the whole thing.
Oh, crap. Oh.
Alright, now there's the wiring. Don't be stupid and break yours. I could have just messed up my whole steering.
Yeah.
I gotta drive home still.
Make sure you guys look up a lot of reviews.
Look up a real video.
Look up a real video before you actually do this, because what we're doing, well, what he's doing is not very,
Smart.
Guys, so we just got new neighbors. Actually, not yet. They're still looking. And I think they just said that. What did they say, Daniel?
Like, oh, this is a nice, quiet neighborhood. Not for long.
Slap on that short hub on the steering wheel, just like you're gonna do the thumbs up. So smash a thumbs up for for this video. Actually, I'll hold it for you. Oh wait, never mind. You got this.
There's not anybody to pick up the girls.
Oh.
Your sister, both of them should be home. Silly.
So and then, since this goes down, there's like a little bit of space between here. So usually if you have this wire, it should be fine to like lay down flat here. This would be wired up to the horn right here. Yep. And you squish it in. I'm playing. Cut off the tip. And you're supposed to put this on.
So you're gonna be running without horn, and with you're probably gonna have the air light on. To be honest.
My airbag light was already on.
Oh, well, there you go. Whatever.
Alright, you ready?
Oh yeah, time for the good stuff, then. Yeah.
I was supposed to hook these up, the positive and negative, but since I'm not going to do the horn, I'm just going to wrap it around here.
All right, while you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and install your steering wheel.
Alright, boy, we'll leave.
I'm going to still put it in the Z and hope you get home safe.
Yeah, you could leave that eBay in there.
Okay.
My turn first. Oh, yeah, and then there's the horn button if you want to put that in, but I don't know how to do it, so.
The moment what I've been waiting for, even though we didn't properly install this, but it's still going to be awesome just to see this. Yeah. I don't think that's straight. Well, I mean, the wheel's pretty straight. I don't think the steering wheel is.
I'm going to move the wheel instead of moving the whole quick release.
Just don't do it the way we did it, guys. Research your stuff first. Got everything tightened up again. Hopefully this method will work like we said.
Yeah, we need to go put on the battery and then we can go on a test drive.
Hell yeah. All right. I mean, we got the airbag light. Oh, it keeps coming on and off like before, right?
Yeah.
No. Oh,
Why my airbag never even worked?
I know, right?
Oh man. This actually feels pretty good. It's weird. Oh, it's not straight. This is as straight as it's gonna get. I don't care.
Not bad. Oh no. No, not today. No, we.
What are you talking about? I never took it off. Not a quick release. Like I said, it's not at the front end. Right here. Took the wires in. Should fit. That whole thing spins. Got your hub. Quick release. The steering wheel, it's pretty much all bolt on, except if you get eBay stuff, it's not gonna be. Looks alright.
Like I said, guys, well, if I haven't said, this is an EB steering wheel or whatever you want to call it. You go to literally all the cheapest stuff you can buy for this.
That was the video for the quick release. Thanks for watching. If we missed anything, I guess comment down below. We can go over in the next video, but that's pretty much it. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Give us ideas on what else to make, because
Pretty sure you guys want to see a lot of racing or a lot of drifting and stuff like that.
Mexico soon.
Mexico soon. Yeah, stay tuned. See you guys in the next video. Bye now.
Alright guys. There goes my Miata, guys.